If you need the best affordable B850 board, there are three boards that stand out. ASRock B850 Pro A is simple, stable, and has what you actually need: a strong enough VRM for long gaming sessions, PCIe 5.0x16 for the GPU, and one Gen 5 M2 slot for a fast SSD. The layout is clean, and memory tuning with Expo profiles works smoothly. Stepping up slightly, ASRock B850 Pro RS Wi-Fi adds wireless and better heat sinks while keeping the same solid foundation. And for a compact setup, Gigabyte B850M Gaming X Wi-Fi gives you similar performance in a smaller board with Wi-Fi 6E and enough cooling for everyday gaming. Ultra-cheap models like MSI Pro B850MP can work, but their lighter VRM and stricter default power limits make them better for light-duty than long, heavy gaming runs. For me, the budget board that makes the most sense is the ASRock B850 Pro A. This is the board to choose if you want a stable base for your 7800X3D without spending extra. It handles power delivery well, runs cool, and gives you access to next-gen PCIe 5.0 for both the GPU and one M2 slot. It has a simple BIOS, reliable fan control, and all the key ports for a mid-range gaming setup. The downsides are easy to live with. The base version doesn't have Wi-Fi, and audio quality is basic. If you need Wi-Fi built in, the Pro RS Wi-Fi version is worth it. And if you're working with a micro ATX case, the B850M Gaming X Wi-Fi is the closest alternative.